grocery stores, nursing homes, medical facilities, large commercial customers, as well as small industrial customers. What makes Power 3 unique for our customers is that access to a full facility backup generator at a reduced cost.
It's an integrated package of installation, operations, and maintenance where a customer doesn't have to worry about any of those components. The Power 3 resiliency solution enables participating customers to continue their operations without any interruption, and their customers in turn can enjoy the benefits of their service.
In addition to the backup solution, it gives us the opportunity to use the unit when the customer has reliable power. We can then energize the unit and supply power to the grid as a small miniature power plant, if you will.
By providing this level of service at a price point that is much lower than has been available in the market on its own, Entergy is really setting a standard for the industry.